What is an ad pod? Ad pod is combining multiple video ads together back to back during an ad break. This is more like the ads you will watch on cable TV, but this is for the digital world. Now let's look at an example of an ad pod. So let's say you're watching an awesome Professor Evidence video. You're watching one of my awesome videos, and a video ad pops up in the middle of your video. And I know these videos are annoying, but instead of the video ad playing just one video, it will play 2 or 3 videos at the same time back to back. So this is an example of an ad pod. After all the different video ads are done playing, then the original video you are watching will continue to play. This ad pod is like watching a TV commercial, but in a digital world.